What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to TruBoost. I'm Nizam and we are here for 2026, the first video, and today's going to be super sick. As you can see, there's some drifting happening today for a new series called Talk Titans. It's not round one, but it is the feeler event, and you guys are going to come along with me driving the S13. It's driving and I'm super excited. Third time driving the car on the dry, so it's going to be a learning day, but a fun day nonetheless. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you soon. So, decided, because I'm early, to drive around the track and see the layout. So, just going to familiarize myself with what it is we're going to be drifting today. I see they've painted some zones, some inner clips, which is quite cool. Massive change from what it was, so I'm really excited. You know, me and my sim brain, familiarizing myself. So, yeah, just going to drive around, see what this layout has to offer. I have no idea where the start is, but I'm gonna assume it's somewhere. I mean, this looks like the layout to a degree. Coming around, ooh, nice and tight actually. Coming around here, outside zone. I'm assuming into what will be the finish. So I'm gonna take a guess that this is the start. This is probably the start. And then we're gonna
Manji over here.
Yeah. Manji in. Coming around here. No outside zone, no outside zone. Here's the outside zone. It says still wet. Maybe get on the left foot a little bit depending if the car can make it around. Oof, this is gonna be interesting because the car's ratios might fight me here, but I should be able to keep it in third the whole time. Coming around here, snap that inner clip, swang it around. It's actually quite nice. I think my ratios will be good for this section. And then into the last outer zone. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I like that one. Alrighty, so we are now later on in the morning or the day, and we have fast scrutineering, which is pretty cool. And I'm gonna kit up now and take you guys out on track for the first tests, warm the car up and see where we are. 2026, it's a new year, so we're gonna have fun. I've also got a head strap so you guys can be on my head, so you can see what I see. So hopefully that comes out pretty sick, but I guess you'll see in just a few moments. I'll see you out there. Let's go. Okay, so that was the first 4 laps, and the layout is quite interesting. I think the car is geared pretty good for this layout. I definitely need more commitment. In the first zone, I'm struggling with the entry, but I definitely think I need to try and enter a bit later. It's, again, just commitment, but yeah, that, and also the front is feeling a little bit sticky, so I just upped the tire pressure slightly in the front. So I'm gonna go out again now and see if the brain is catching on. So yeah, let's go.
Listen.
So you're kind of on super view because you're on the helmet right now. What we did was a draw, so it's not like qualifying and then you sort of get seated based off of that. So we drew numbers, and based off the numbers, that's who you go against, and it's going to be still like a top 16 where you progress. And so yeah, I was put up against Clinton, and he's a 2J E46, so yeah, I never got a chance to tandem in practice, so I think this is going to be really interesting and really cool for you guys to see. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you for the battle.
Number one, you're gonna get a warm-up, staggered warm-up.
Okay?
Watch my hand will be on your bonnet. The moment I lift my hand, you can go.
Okay,
Right.
first for the warm-up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you're gonna get 2 runs. One you will lead, one you will lead.
So he's leading first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. We're gonna do the Japanese start.
Okay?
Lilana, are you ready? Clinton, are you ready?
Yeah?
Face each other. Stand far so that you can face him.
Okay?
Then you will show him I'm ready, you will show I'm ready. And I will say go.
Okay.
Both of you go together.
Okay, cool.
Enjoy?
Thanks.
Have fun.
broke
Oh,
in the chase. Yeah.
Shucks.
Sorry, in the chase.
His CV broke in the chase.
Yeah.
Oh, hectic.
No, in the lead.
Oh.
Chase broke.
Okay.
So when I was leading, it broke.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that was sick.
That was it.
The only thing is like it bogs really bad.
Yeah.
So that's why like I straightened out a little bit. So if you didn't mess up, I wouldn't have won that. But yeah, we through. So whatever, top 8 next week. That's pretty cool. Yeah. So I'll see you guys later. What's up, everybody? So we made it to the top 8. It's getting dark, and I'm going up against Larry. So that's going to be a really interesting battle for me. I'm just so grateful to be here and to be driving. I'm really grateful for Molly running the car, just keeping it running so smooth. Technique, sure, Marco, the car works, dude. So yeah, really happy to be here. But let's see what I can do. You guys are going on my head again, and we're gonna try our best. Let's go. That thing is so fast. I was trying, dude.
That was yours.
I just felt sorry for you because you didn't have any lights, and I thought if you make it, how are you gonna see like?
No, I was telling Larry, I'm like, put.
I got this
When it's dark, I'm done. I'm going home anyways. Yeah.
So whether I win or lose, I'm going home. It's yours.
If you didn't hit that cone,
That was power, both of you.
power.
I was trying for that, the chase, dude. Like, Larry's fast, bro. Like,
I can hear that tactic, bro.
dude, you know what happened? Coming around the first corner, I was like, I gotta give it beans. I gave it beans, and then he slowed, and I was like, don't do that! I have no momentum! And then I knew it,
You
dude.
get a fortune turbo now, hey? You
We need it.
bit.
I need power. Power is what got me there, bro. Because the thing is, I had to cut, bro. I had to cut,
So
otherwise.
you cut this one corner here, and you cut the long corner, but that's fine.
Yeah. And then to finish, there was just no power, dude. Like,
The
I
whole thing
straightened.
was power. Shut up. The whole thing was power.
Yeah, fair enough.
Power, man.
Yeah,
Well
flip.
done.
Dude.
Thanks, guys. That's it. So we are at the end of the day. It's dark, and I didn't win that battle against Larry, obviously, but I'm super stoked. We got to Tandem for the first time, and it was really cool. I'm super grateful for the opportunity to be here, like I've said, and super grateful for Liquid Molly, BB Interactive, Technique, and Kaleidoscope Customs. Yeah, it's such a collaborative effort, and I'm grateful for all of you watching as well. So yeah, until the next comp, until the next time we drive, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and smash the subscribe, because this year's going to be awesome. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.